Guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Welcome to my channel where I talk about all things affiliate marketing and how to make money online with affiliate marketing, and I also share different side hustles. So yeah, if affiliate marketing is not for you, I also show different side hustles, but my main focus on this channel is affiliate marketing and how to start your affiliate marketing business. Okay, today I am presenting you with a affiliate legion. Okay, this is one of a few courses that I am currently in right now, and this course is super duper amazing. Okay, this course featured, well, it's Dan Kahn's course. It's featured Philip Johansson and Bill Ng. Okay, I started with these guys with affiliate marketing, with my affiliate marketing journey in the mentorship of Jono Armstrong, who has a course and mentorship program, which is a ministry of freedom. Guys, you do not want to miss out on this. That's all I want to say. You do not want to miss out on this super duper amazing course, because this is not just a person who's out here flaunting and saying I did this, I did that. These are very humble people. They started from a humble beginning. Dan is a college dropout. Philip Johansson was an ex-plumber. Okay, regular smuggler people, and they are over here making over $10,000 a month, $100,000 a month, and they are showing people how to make money online. And even me, even when it comes down to my business and making money online and my email marketing and my just social media presence, soon I connected with these guys, everything just skyrocketed. So I'm very, very excited to show you guys. So let me just stop talking about them, because I'm just so happy just to be doing this review and just to be a part of this community. So let's get into what you will be getting if you decide to pick up Affiliate Legion. Okay, guys, and I really hope you do pick this up, because this is very dirt cheap, bro. This is super duper dirt cheap. He could have easily made this $1,000 course. Okay, easily $1,000. Okay, I done spent over $3,000 learning affiliate marketing, and this information right here, this took it to a whole nother level, because it's super simple, easy to follow, and they not leaving nothing out. Okay, the curtains are pulled, everything, you can see everything, all the behind scenes. Yeah, so the first one is just a welcome. They're introducing you to what affiliate marketing is, making sure you join the Facebook community and whatnot, and they're explaining we have monthly giveaways for our top earners in here. Money will always match your mindset, so it's always good to have a good mindset when it comes down to achieving your goals. And they go in depth in this, so they make sure that you find your why, write down your why and why you want to start making money online. Why do you even want to work for yourself? Like, if you don't know your why, then you will not keep on pursuing your dreams, your goals, your aspirations in life. Okay, and then here's the money system, bro. The money system is filled with what is affiliate marketing, money system overview, the tools you need to build this empire. Choose your niche. Okay, you could be in the making money online niche, fitness niche, spirituality niche, whatever it is. I'm in the make money online niche, because we making money online. Okay, dream customer profile, so send up your profile online and stuff like that, and letting people know what are you here to offer. Your product selection. Okay, because so they're letting you know where to get these products, from, and where and how to get a good product. All right, grab your affiliate link, create your opt-in page, buy a domain, Aweber, integrations, final step, and test your funnels. You don't know what Aweber is, if you know what Aweber is, that's dope. And if you do not know what Aweber is, it's basically like the glue to everything. Okay, you have your traffic, you have your offer, and then you have the glue, the email marketing. So that's where the Aweber come in. and play. So right here we have build your opt-in page. You got the introduction, you got the AWeber introduction, and this is so amazing because when I first started out affiliate marketing, the mentors or the so-called gurus want you to like pay $100 a month, $200 a month for freaking like autoresponder, and I'm like, bro, who is doing that? I just spent freaking 2 bands on you. Now you're gonna make me, now you're trying to tell me I gotta spend an extra $200 a month just to build an email list? No, this is super dope because they are giving you free ways, like, bruh, free alternatives to building an email list and getting you're building an email list and having a consistent income online, because you have your own audience. Okay, this is not your social media audience, this is your own audience. Okay, then we went through build your, this is basically the same thing but with a different alternative. So these are free different email providers that you can use to create your email list. And then they go over traffic. Okay, so we have the endless done for you content. If you're struggling with your bio, they help you out on how to structure your bio. We have the live demos, and then we have then they have for you how to upload your reels so you can maximize your growth on your social media platforms. We have the done for you content and the theme pages. We have the direct closing boost so you could boost your sales. All right, and then we have the TikTok massive growth. Okay, I finally grew my TikTok and I got my my link on my TikTok profile. Okay, because you know you have to have at least a minimum of 1,000 followers on TikTok. And bro, using these strategies, okay, these super simple strategies, which is crazy. It's crazy. It's like, if you don't, you could play with something, okay, all day, but if you don't know what you're doing, you're not going to master it. Okay, so you could play with TikTok all you want, or you could have somebody teach you how to master your social medias. Okay, and I really suggest Philip Johansson, because Philip Johansson is going over this stuff in here. You will meet Philip Johansson. And then we have the email mastery, email marketing, and then we have the email mastery right here. We have the YouTube mastery as well. It's a lot. It's so much in this course, guys. We have the done for you videos, we have the screen recording, we have the how to film your videos. All right, we have the outsourcing. If you want to outsource, you really don't have to. A majority of the techniques in here is completely free, but if you want to outsource, if you have that extra money, and then you can outsource some of these tasks out in this course right here. Upload and outrank competitions. This is my favorite because they're not leaving you in the dirt. Like, they are not just telling you, here, upload this video and boom, hopefully you pray that it go viral. They're teaching you how to optimize your videos and how to outrank other people in this field. But guess what? This field is not saturated, bruh. It's not saturated. So it's gonna be amazing when it comes down to you actually taking action in what they have, in what in the instructions they have for you. And then we have the after uploading, what you're supposed to do after uploading these videos. We have the conversion mastery, getting that bank. Okay, we have the Facebook introduction of Facebook and how to use it. We have the millionaire jumpstart. These are I believe this is the upgrade. I believe I have this upgrade. And then we have the support, contact us. And then right here, this is paid ads. He has not added paid ads yet, or we haven't added the interviews with the millionaire on the 6-figure earnings, but these are all coming soon. Okay, everything, these are literally all free methods. Okay, and little, like 0 to minimum monthly subscription fees when it comes down to running your business. Okay, like, bruh, your entertainment is more than starting a business. Okay, your Netflix fees, your Disney Plus, your Hulu is more than you investing in starting a business. Okay, so I came over here to show you the sales page. I'm not going to say on the sales page. I just want to show you the different prices of this. So you can join our program, this program, Affiliate Legion, for $7 a month, or you can pay one time only. So it won't be like no monthly subscription. It's $7 keep on coming out your pocket every month. You can buy this, okay, for one time for $79. All right. And on top of that, you will be getting all of my freaking super duper insane bonuses, okay? My bonuses is at a limited time offer. I will not be keeping my bonuses up throughout this whole time, bro. I might have my bonuses up like every Friday. Every Friday, I might put my bonuses up. So guys, if you are watching it, hopefully you are able to receive my bonuses, and hopefully it's not too late. But yes, I'm gonna make sure that I help you guys out because they help me tremendously. So right now I'm over on my bonus page, okay? So click this button right here, get access, and you could click almost any button on my page, my bonus page, to receive your bonuses, my bonuses, and the vendor bonuses, and receive your access to Affiliate Legion. So let's go dive right into my bonuses and what Affiliate Legion is about. Like I told you, Affiliate Legion is basically making money online with affiliate marketing, okay? He has, like you just seen the members area, all right? You see everything that he has to offer. So this is 100% beginner friendly. Majority of the stuff is done for you. He has two methods. He has a free method and he has a paid method. No. I'm talking about actually a method where you show your face, or you do not show your face. So if you don't want to show your face, you do not have to show your face, and if you are comfortable showing your face online, you can show your face and make this method work for you as well. This is 90% automated for you, okay? This works for any age, and this is worldwide, okay? You don't have to worry about no inventory. You don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about shipping and handling, okay, or no extreme renting. You know, if you want to start a barbershop and you have to like buy a building, you got to buy the products, you got to buy the tools, you got to buy the equipment. It's none of that stuff when it comes down to starting an affiliate marketing business, bro. You can scale this business to $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, or $100,000 a month, depending on how much time you put into this, okay? But students have already seen commissions within the first 24 hours. I've seen commission within the first, I believe it was 2 days after taking the information and implementing the information. I'm like, bro, this is freaking crazy. All right, so we're gonna go down to my bonuses and just give you a little insight of what you will be receiving when you purchase Affiliate Legion through my link, okay? So bonus number one, how to make $100 a day with your phone, okay? This is super duper dope because a lot of people don't really have a laptop, and I know that might be a struggle. So with this bonus right here, you're basically learning how to make money, okay, to get that laptop, okay, to you're basically investing in your business when you buy a laptop, but you can still make money with your phone. And in this course, they teach you how to make money with your phone as well, okay? And then we have my 50 insane traffic hacks, plugins, and 100 plus a day traffic, okay? $100 plus a day traffic with all these traffic sources and plugins. These are 50 different bonuses, okay? 50 different ones. All right, this is a lot, okay? And then we have our bonus tutorial. This is the VIP. I love you guys so much, okay? I am adding an additional 60 plus different softwares and underground techniques. Learn how to create a bigger profit with proper training by my mentor, okay, one of my mentors, Jonah Armstrong and Brendan Mays. All right, these are really one of the top affiliates in the game right now in the world. This is worldwide. And then we have all the vendor bonuses from Dan and Philip themselves. So all the vendor bonuses that they have to offer, guys. The first one is valued around $529. The second one is valued around $697. These bonuses nothing to play with. The third bonus is around value price is almost $1,000. The vendor bonuses is already $1,000 plus, and these are the vendor bonuses. Everything is 30-day money back guarantee, guys. Okay, if you're interested in picking up affiliate legion through my link, all you have to do is come on my page, hit one of these pictures right here, and it will take you to the sales page. You can hit this red button, this button right here, any of these buttons right here, and it will take you to the page. Okay, take you to the sales page in which you can pick up my super duper insane bonuses. Do not sleep with these bonuses, because I'm not about to be giving these out to any and everybody. These are gonna be only for the very important people, the people who know that they're done playing with their life. They're done playing in this rat race. It's no, bro. Okay. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you take action. All right, now this your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. I did want to show you the private members group before I leave, just to show you there's people really in here making money online. Okay, made money less than 24 hours implementing this technique. All right, we are in the Affiliate Legion program, made over $100 doing this. All right, already this is the Affiliate Legion, made over $30 doing this. Okay, just in a few hours. Everybody is making money in here. We got new people coming in daily. We got people making $1,000 in 25 days. Okay, and then this is just the tip of the iceberg, because once you get your foot in the door, you get to collaborate with these people, you get to be these people's friend, you get to network with these people, and you get to ask them how did they do this, and all they're doing is following the steps. Okay, we're following the steps together. We are making money together, guys. So don't sleep on Affiliate Legion, don't sleep on Dan, don't sleep on Philip Johansson. Okay, because they are here to help people at the bottom. All right, that's why it's so cheap. You don't have to be like me, spend over $3,000, $5,000 to learn this information. They are giving it to you dirt cheap. Okay, and I am even putting more icing on the cake when it comes down to my bonuses. All right, guys, make sure you come to my bonus page and pick up my bonuses at a limited time offer. Like I said, I might release my bonuses like every Friday or something like that, so it won't be super duper saturated. But yes, guys, make sure you follow your girl, follow me on all my social medias, pick up Affiliate Legion, and just take action on your dreams and your goals, because making money online it hasn't been this easier. Like, just making money period hasn't been this easy since affiliate marketing came. Okay, bro, but affiliate marketing is nothing new. It's just I stumbled across it a few years ago, and it changed my life. So yes, guys, I'm gonna stop talking. We'll stop talking, and I'll see you in another video. Okay, later.